how to change your Rumble username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Rumble account's username, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically change your Rumble account's username, you go to rumble.com and you can see I'm signed into my account. You might have been trying to change the username but just getting head-ups because you've not been trying to find the option. So if I just click the profile icon from the top right, if I go to account options here, you can basically see that inside account options I can change my full name and street address and so on, but there is no way I could change my username. Even if I go to account overview from the top, you can basically see my username is over here. This is the username that you chose while you first signed up for an account, and now you see and realize that there is no way you can basically change the username. Now that's the thing with Rumble. Once you basically change it, there is no way that you can change the username on Rumble. And don't blame me for this, because I'm not the one who created Rumble. Rumble does not allow this. Once you've updated it while signing up for an account, that's the only thing. The only thing I can suggest you is that if this account isn't so important to you, you can delete the account and create a new account with a proper username whenever you're signing up. But so far Rumble has not made it possible. Hopefully if in the future they might come up with an update that will let you change it, I will make sure to update you about it. So make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the like button, and also make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.